Yo, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. In today's episode, we're going to do another box break. This time, we're opening like 35,000 pesos worth of NBA cards. We have a Prizm retail box, we have the Cello pack, and we have a Court Kings hobby box worth over 35,000. We will see if mababawi, my hair is messy, if mababawi ba natin yung money or not. But before that, I have a very special package that I want to unbox. It's from our good friends from Havaianas, and they have a collaboration with Reality to Idea. So super excited to check out what this package contains. If we pop it open, we have several items. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, we have a shirt and we even have socks. This should be their Tradi Zori slides, and I am a huge fan of this. It's kind of like Japanese inspired in terms of look. It kind of resembles what samurai and ninjas would wear, and this one uses a black and white illustration design or vibe, which is the theme actually of Reality to Idea. That's their design aesthetic, that's their design style. So it looks really cool, very nice, and this is also super comfortable. You see that foam over here? That is super thick. They even sent over more traditional looking slippers, so if you're not into the vibe of, you know, the Japanese inspired Tradi Zori, you can go with this one also. Again, big shout out to Havaianas, and with that out of the way, tara guys, let's go to Unbox Greenhills for the box break. Okay, so nandito tayo sa Unbox Greenhills. Kasama natin si CJ, brother, kaway naman dyan. So from Project Alpha Collectible. So magbubukas kami ng mga NBA cards. Meron tayong personal box break. Ano ba meron tayo? Meron tayong Court Kings hobby, isang cello pack. Yun yung tawag mo dito, ba? Prizm cello pack. Tapos meron tayong isang Prizm retail. So yung total value nitong lahat, lagpas 35,000. Basta lagpas pa doon. So hopefully, mabawi natin. Bawi natin yan, di ba? Fingers crossed. Tara! Okay, so ito yung unang box na bubuksan natin, yung Prizm Retail. So, tara, tignan natin kung ano meron dito sa loob. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Ang dami pala nito. Okay, yung unang card, Michael Porter Jr. Uy, parehong Porter. Otto Porter Jr. Miles Bridges, maling Hornet. Maling Hornet ang lumabas. Miles Turner. Sino meron? Baka ikaw ang aking lucky charm.
AI.
Iverson. Maxi Kleber. Oy, pula. Indiana Pacers, Miles Turner. And meron din tayong Cassius Stanley, rookie card. Okay. O, isang pink pulsar naman dyan, o saan? Sure. Bojan Bogdanovic.
Kay ano?
Embiid. Joel Embiid. Denny Avdija, emergent. Darius Garland. Yes, wala, apat. Matthew Dellavedova. Parang pahirap yung pag-pronounce. Furkan Korkmaz. Joel Embiid ulit na dominance. DeMar DeRozan na balita-balita ngayon pupuntang Lakers.
Piliin ko na yung mga hits.
Oh, ikaw yung tagapili ng hits, ako yung tagabukas. Okay. Paul Millsap. Oh, meron tayo silver. Jokic. Ito, rookie ba? Rookie? Hindi rookie. Detroit Pistons. Langston Galloway. Parang di masaya, no? Desmond Bane. Pwede. Desmond Bane, yan. Montrez Harrell. Malik Beasley, silver ulit, hindi rookie. Kevin Durant, pwede na. Next. Meron Uy, ano yun? Sophomore. Na-excite pa man din ako. JJ Barea, Zion Williamson, base, pwede. Sophomore stars, Kobe White, rookie card ni Killian Hayes, pwede. Okay itong pack na to, ha? Next. Meron tayong Brook Lopez, champion. Mike Conley, Red Pulsar, Kobe White. Pwede na. Tsaka isang CJLB. Meron tayong Gary Harris, Jason Tatum, Sadiq Bey na emergent. Parang Sadiq Bey na rookie card. Double Sadiq Bey. Ito maganda to. Okay, next. Malik Monk. Meron tayong green, JJ Redick. Hindi rookie. Timberwolves. Sino hindi rookie na Timberwolves?
Cat.
Yeah.
Cat, yeah.
Ang galing, ha?
Galing.
Kuwang-kuwa. Takto. Yo, wise man. Nice. Bumabawi na. Actually, malayo pa tayo, no? Malayo pa tayo.
Out of 24.
Oh, di ba? Malayo pa tayo sa value. Isang lamelo lang dyan. Terry Rozier, Schroeder, Dominance. Na green.
Booker.
Devin Booker. Ganda nung card, oh. Alam ko hindi siya ganun kamahal, pero ang ganda tingnan. May mga cards na ganun, no? Yung hindi siya ganun kamahal. Meron tayong Jeff Green, Mo Bamba, Sadiq Bey ulit. Tsaka Skylar Mavs. Parang Sadiq Bey box to, ah. Okay, Sekou Doumbouya. Tama pronunciation ko siyan? DJ Agustin. Maling Hornet. Magaling naman siya. Gusto ko siya, pero sana... PC ko yan. Si Okongu.
Kaya nga.
Oo. Gusto ko yan, si Okongu. Ilan na lang natitira nating pack? Dami pa pala.
Dami pa.
Nakailang minutes na tayo. Pucha, 8 minutes na. Okay, wait. Next. Bilisan natin. Meron tayong Victor Oladipo. Uy!
Yan yung
Otto? May lamelo pa. Oh! Azibuki Utah Jazz Auto sticker. Tapos instant impact na lamelo. Yan ang magandang pack. Meron ka pang Tobias Harris. Ito, yan na natin to. Yung tinatak-tak-tak-tak. Auto natin. Yan. Ilan ba auto na isang box?
Average one.
So yun na yun.
Average.
Sumali ako sa box break kahapon. Dalawa yung blank slate.
Yes.
Isang
Saan ba?
Court Kings case. May tatlong out of 8 na signature. Tapos dalawang blank slate sa isang box. Sobrang swerte. Parehong Minnesota pa. Ant-Man tsaka Kevin Garnett. Sobrang swerte nung bumili ng Minnesota. Ako Olats ako eh. Hornets.
KCP.
Lowry.
Lowry.
Anthony Simons. Kyle Kuzma. Pwede na. Jeff Teague. Jarrett Allen, Emergent, Isaiah Stewart, tsaka isang Joe Ingles. Blake Griffin, Kevin Garnett, Joe Harris. Parang ang lungkot ng ano ko no? Meron tayong Gallinari, Snell, Jalen Smith, Brandon Clark. Meron tayong Kobe White, Bagley III. Team USA. Tsaka Elijah Hughes na rookie card. Pwede. Okay, next. Joe Harris. Ja Morant base. Pwede. Dominance Kevin Durant. Devin Booker. Ito, maganda itong pack na to. Wala pa tayong lamelo.
Meron, isa.
Hindi, pero base. Wala tayong lamelo base. 4 na lang yung Prizm natin na pack. Baka makaisang auto pa tayo, guys. Meron tayong Klay Thompson, Norman Powell, rookie card, Killian Hayes Silver, Tyrese Maxey. Ganda. Nice pack.
Nice hit.
Nice hit. Okay. Meron tayong Jason Hayes, Brandon Ingram, Emergent, RJ Hampton, rookie card na RJ Hampton.
Katabi.
Talagang RJ Hampton. Last 2 packs. Wala pa tayong lamelo base. Tingnan natin. We have Tim Duncan, Marcus Morris Sr., Prizm, Daniel Theis, Isaac Okoro rookie. Tapos yung last pack natin for the Prizm Retail. Devont Graham. Ito yung PC ni Paulo Tomenes. Looney Walker the 4th. Huli na natin yung red card para may drama. RJ Barrett. Rookie card ba to? Hindi. Zion Williamson! Boom! Panalo! Magkano to? Naubos kagad natin yon. Okay. So habang inaayos, dito na tayo sa next natin, which is the cello pack. Della Vedova. Okay, siya nag-pronounce. Malik Monk. Ben Simmons. Kyrie Irving, silver na hindi rookie, Dwayne Wade, pwede. Green rookie, color red. Sino to? Miami Heat. Pwede. Precious Achua. Precious Achua. Dominance, Pascal Siakam. Oh, Tyrese, Halliburton. Pwede. Bawi itong pack na to. Bawi. Red, white, blue. Boom. Derrick Jones. Rookie ba? Hindi rookie yung next. Derrick White.
Kapatid.
Rookie ba? Rookie? Hindi rin.
Derrick Rose.
Sacramento Kings. Jabari Parker. Ito na. Ang ating main event. Court Kings Hobby. Worth, magkano to? 18,000. 18,000 pesos, guys. So, meron lang tong 10 cards inside. Okay. Okay, nakakita mo. Jimmy Butler. John Collins. Giannis. Oh, si champion. Ay, yung next na pala yung ano.
Mamaya.
Next, di pa. Uy! Buksan nga natin. Work in progress na Zeke Naji.
Ano number yan? Number dyan.
Numbered ba to?
Yeah.
Tingnan natin. Uy, Killian Hayes! Number 12 out of 149 si Zeke Naji. Work in progress. Killian Hayes na. Nice! Art Nouveau patch. Pwede. Eh? Yung auto natin, Marcus Camby. 22 out of 49. Work in progress na Aaron Nesmith. Shaq. May ganito na ako eh. Yung points in the paint na Shaq.
Baka number siya, sir.
Hindi siya numbered. Ramsey. Tas Emmanuel Quickie Rookie Level 1. Pwede na. Okay guys, so kinumpute na namin magkano total. Rough estimate. Talaga may langaw pa eh. The total amount is around 19,000. So medyo nalugi kami, hindi medyo, nalugi kami big time. Pero masaya naman and enjoy naman. And dahil nanood kayo at hindi kayo nag-skip ng ads, mababawi natin. So guys, make sure to check out Project Alpha Collectibles, Cabinet 118. Gets ko na. Ayun, I hope you guys enjoyed the box break. As you can see, hindi kami nakabawi. At least meron akong slides from Javianas. Anyway, with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed. As usual, this is Carlo signing out. Make sure to say hi if ever you find yourself in Unbox Greenhills and you see me there. Huwag kayong mahiya. Don't be shy. Would love to meet you. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.